Hello everyone, so my name is Dylan. So today we are talking about Neptunes. Learn about the furthest planet from the sun in the solar system. Okay, let's talk about a fun fact about the Neptune. Neptune's is far away is 2.7 billion years away from the Earth. They are looking at from the final and there is the cyclizations. The scientists discover in the spiritizations. In the world at the time, they not at the underutilizations. Naturals have been got in the videos. They named by aquarium from its oranges. It looks like not look like Uranus, but it has the same as the methane gas and not Uranus. It morphia have to be this hydrogens, the helium, the methanes, and morphia of the Neptunes. This is formed all about and the word can be said in the Neptunes. Neptunes is very cool. You can fly here and just live here. It's very cool. You can saw to the eyes. Are to be the points are orientations. When you are looking at from the soil or no, let me find out ready for questions. What's the Neptunes is bright blue goods. It is methane gas, look like orange. It's different from the rings. And what is rings? Ring formed of the Neptunes. Neptunes had the first rings made of the dust and ice, so they are very bright or not can go. Like when you are the Arabic seas, the Uranus, it will look like the same. When you are the CM, you can see the harsh, that's ice. Okay. Scientists believe this the planet's gravity creates strands, the frontier and individuals. Form your cell bodies. Breaking methods is not a normal, it's very important. True or false. Scientists believe that the Neptune rings are unbalanced because of the planet's gravity. Writing for cells is true or false. Is this true? Form your cell bodies. The wide weather and the three job spots. The weather in here is very colder when you are at the stars. Neptune is the wilds that can reach out 1,000 to 200 million per hour. They look is be joy on the stations or not. The per hour they not at read job spots. This is the read job spots. They not just under the buildings. We can see this the look like are the church. And the telescope here it is the Voyager 1 and 2. They are looking at and it takes this picture. Which of the natural strong is Atlantic as Earth? It is the rich just false. This is the shape in the strong. Neptunes have 16 moons. And moons it is trillions, the one are bigger moons in the Neptunes. We go there on a form the computation here. This trillions or no and heartbeat in it. That's actually the volcanoes that shoots projects in the air. Trillions or Neptunes in the background or not resemblance, not your favorites. The moon is our Neptunes. The orbit Neptune's backward is 13. Okay. Let's argue the day or the year in the Neptunes. This Neptunes, it takes this 165 Earth year for the Neptunes to orbit the sun. It is the aurora chance. When we set around in the chance for the Neptunes, crisis around or the orbits the chance. They look into the selfish. Even close Earth are long. Neptune's days are relatively short or rather 18 Earth hour. When you are the per hour or the day, they will give or the minutes with the sun here. Which is longer a day on the Earth or a day on the Neptune? The day on the Earth it is the longer than the Neptune. Neptune it is not because the usual magnetic field. It is the non-magnetic impulse in which it is actually states. But the Neptune's are rather 47 degrees. The Neptune magnetism does not line up with the planet's center. When you are the habitations from the north or the south, they look at this left or right. Scientists think that this might be a visual from the movements of chassis, water, or other material deep inside the planets. When you are looking here and it's not usually the magnetic field. They're looking for us for ourselves. Neptune's the field is environment and the lost sides. It is the magnetic field, which of ourselves. We are looking at the Neptune's the end from the video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye.